29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours.
Ito naman po yung Cleopatra. Check natin yung comment.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 is
Ang cover niya. Corduroy ang tela. Ano masasabi mo, ma'am?
Okay, hindi ako nasusunod.
Ito yung kanyang cover sa LShape. Wala pa siyang unan eh. Ito yung cover nung center table. Pang second cover ni ma'am yan. Cover ng sofa. Ito yung kanyang bago. Parang Cleopatra style, no? Ang ganda ng tela niya. Corduroy. Speech, ma'am. Thank you very much daw. Yan. Okay na po. Marami pong salamat sa panonood. Kung nagustuhan niyo po, please like and subscribe po. Salamat.